So we are going to be cooking some pancakes. So I've made my batter using milk, flour and eggs and a little bit of baking powder, and then I've just whisked that up. And I've got my pan here on the heat, so it's been heating up for a while, and so you can have a ladle and ladle it in, or you can just tip a bit in. And I've got my spatula, so I'll just let that cook. Again, being in the respect position where you've got one leg down and one leg up, just in case you need to get away. And so we'll watch that cook, and there'll be bubbles come on the top, and then it'll be ready to be flipped over. And what you're looking for is it's brown on both sides. First one's always the worst. So flip it over, just fold it up a bit, but we'll give it a go. Try another one. It's a very sticky mixture. So we can loosen the pan so it doesn't stick to the pan. Let that cook. And we're looking for it to be brown on both sides. Like I say, the first one's always the worst. Take the pancake off and pop it into our dish.